everybody, it's the Ginger Optimist and I am a lifestyle vlogger. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making carrots with my sous vide. If you've been watching my channel for long, you know that I've had a Power Precision cooker that I got earlier this summer, and unfortunately after just 3 months it died. Fortunately I did have the warranty, so I was able to get my money back. And now I'm trying the Anova. So we're gonna get started, come on. This is what the app looks like on my iPhone. And down here it says start cooking, so I'm gonna press start cooking. Then it says, what are you cooking? When I put in carrots, it automatically came up at 187 degrees Fahrenheit. And I set the timer for 60 minutes. So let's press done. And start Anova. While we're waiting for the Anova to heat up, I'm going to go ahead and prepare the carrots. I've already got about a tablespoon of olive oil in my food saver bag. And now I'm going to sprinkle on some seasoning. So I've got my bag, my food saver bag. Gonna slide these carrots in. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of honey to my large bag of carrots. Now we're gonna seal up our carrots with the food saver. Carrots down inside the pot. We're going to let them cook for 1 hour and then we'll do a taste test. Okay, it's time for a taste test. They look yummy. I hope they taste as good as they look. That is really good. They're still crunchy, but they're not hard and they have a really nice taste to them. I recommend that you try making these carrots. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not following me already, I sure hope you will. I would love to connect with you. Leave me comments down below. My question for you today is, what have you been cooking lately? I'd love to hear about it. Thanks again. God bless. Bye.